So as you can see, it's new blockchain wallet. It has zero balance, empty. Okay, and we just right click and then go to inspect, go to cancel. There's some warning, you can read that. Okay, it says if you have money in the wallet, scammer can scam and take your money out of your wallet. So make sure you are on new wallet. Okay, and it has zero balance. Okay, I'm using my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. Clear everything from here and you paste your script. Right click, select all, and then right click once again, copy your script, minimize it, and then paste your script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here after you press the enter button. Here's our unconfirmed transaction hash ID. We just need a hash ID. Okay, this is the only whole unconfirmed transaction, which is 0.016 BTC. Okay, just copy the hash ID, copy to clipboard. Okay, then paste over here, click OK. As you can see, you want to send transaction. Once again click OK, once again OK. Close everything from here and our work is done. Just refresh the balance, then see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. So let me show you the channel. This is the only real channel that I own. It has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, as you can see, subscribe this channel for more related videos. And this is the time. Let me show you and refresh that. Okay, it's 10:03 a.m. Friday 19 December 2025. Let me refresh once again for you. Okay, it's 10:03 a.m. Friday 19th December 2025. Okay, and here's the transaction. It will confirm in maximum 1 hour. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. Yeah, it's not confirmed, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, and don't be worried about that rate, because main thing is, yeah, it's confirmed. As you can see, it's confirmed. As I refresh once again, it confirmed completely. Now you can transfer to any another wallet you wanted to. Okay, you can send to Binance or Trust wallet or any other wallet you wanted to. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.